Tom has been trying to get in touch with his friend Max. Tom hasn't heard from him for several days and misses him a lot. Max is at a summer camp. Today in our lesson we will go and visit him. His camp, the summer camp, is in a picturesque place on the shore of a lake. Max is spending his free time there and is happy to talk about his activities in the camp. So, Max is going to tell us about the camp rules. First of all, everyone should be able to put up and take down his tent. The tent must be stable so that it will not be blown away by the wind. Yesterday, Max had to fix it with additional ropes. Max decides to cook a delicious breakfast on an open fire with the other children. For that, they need dry grass and firewood. Max and his friends have brought some firewood and grass. The girls have made some sandwiches and boiled water for tea. Look at Max. He is watching the fire attentively so that the fire doesn't spread into the forest and harm nature. After a tasty breakfast, our heroes decided that they would not sit idly, but instead tidy things up in their tents. Each of them had to sleep in a sleeping bag at night, as it was very cold. If you are at a camp, then you must learn to keep your tent clean. Don't leave litter, and of course, clean your sleeping bag, wash the dishes, and be friendly to the other children in the camp. Where is Max? Oh, there he is. John is collecting litter near the tent and putting it into the special litter bins. He's setting a good example for the others. Our characters are following the rules of the camp perfectly, not just keeping their tents clean, but also the surrounding nature. Max has finished the cleaning up. Before he goes fishing, he has a couple of minutes to drop a line to Tom. Max decided to tell Tom about the camp rules. Here they are. 1. You mustn't leave the camp without permission. 2. You will have to sleep in a tent and cook for yourself on an open fire. 3. You mustn't leave litter in the forest. These are good and useful rules, and we'll try to remember them and practice using the new words and expressions.